Assalamualaikum, Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good morning student, how are you today? Okay, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Finish? Okay, first for all, I like to check your attendance. If I call your name, please raise your hand or say present. Okay? Do you still remember the lesson? I will explain about Indonesian history. And today we are going to learn about Madiun PKI tragedy. Let's go! The PKI Madiun rebellion occurred on September 18, 1948. This event in Indonesian history involved several left-leaning political parties or organizations against the government of Republik Indonesia RI Soekarno Muhammad Hatta. The Indonesian Communist Party PKI or the People Democratic Front FDR, the Indonesian Socialist Party PSI, the Indonesian Labour Party PBI, the People, Youth, and the Central Indonesian Labor Organization (SOPSI) tried to seize power because they were dissatisfied with government policies. Center. The seizure of power at 7 in the morning, success in completely controlling Madiun. That morning, communist troops with red signs walked up and down the street. Madiun was as a stronghold and starting point for controlling the entire territory of the Republic of Indonesia. Wrote Rahmat Susatyo in the book The PKI Musuh Rebellion in Madiun, 2008. With the setting of Madiun City, East Java as the center of the action, there are figures whose names are mentioned in the incident. The riot involved several elements, starting from the military, irregulars, and politicians. In September 1948, a major riot broke out in Madiun City. This was the aftermath of the political dispute between the Indonesian government and the People's Democratic Front (FDR) coalition several months earlier. The dispute became increasingly chaotic because it involved elements of the military, irregular unit, the politicians. The Indonesian government was at odds with FDR, formed in February 1948 by bringing together elements of the Socialist Party PS, Indonesian Socialist Youth Pesindo, Indonesian Labour Party PBI, and the All Indonesian Central Labor Organization (SOPSI), and the Indonesian Communist Party PKI. After Vice President Hatta announced the army reorganization and rationalization policy (RERA), the RERA program was very detrimental to FDR because it reduced his military strength in the TNI community and the Penembahan Senopati Division. In the midst of the dispute, on August 10, Musso arrived from the Soviet Union. He proposed the new path political concept and encouraged leftist elements within FDR to merge under the leadership of the PKI. Okay, student, do you have any question? If not, let us close our lesson today. See you next day and bye-bye.